Okay, so let's start today. Today's session is like yesterday we have discussed, last class we have discussed how the HTML works and what are all the tags and everything we have discussed. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the simple website creation. Okay, for that I have created a one folder. See, till now what and all we have learned is that is the creating the skeleton of the application. So here it is a skeleton of the application in the sense. So if you go here, okay, the skeleton in the sense. So as you know the human skeleton. So this is the one method, one way of creating a code. So just I will go here. The HTML part we have done. The HTML part is what it contains the skeleton of the application. So this is the till now we have created the skeleton. Okay, so for this we are going to be learn a CSS and all. Before that we need to create a one simple website. What is a website? If I just go here, Flipkart is also one website. Flipkart is a website. Zomato, Zomato is also one website. Okay, so what is the speed? Text. Okay, so this is also some webs. These are all the website. So it is going to be a load. Okay, so what is mean by like a website? Website is a something it is running on a with a one IP address. So this is the URL, or this is the URL, or this is the URL. Okay, so it's loading. So let it be. So now we are going to be create a simple website. Okay, by using HTML, we are writing a small set of CSS. We are not concentrating more on CSS. We are going to be learn completely on CSS part in the later section. Okay, so for that, we are going to be create a two files. Minimum, how many files is there? One is a index.html file. The next is a, if you want to write a CSS, so for that you need to write a index.css. Okay, so now we'll create a one more file called index.css. Okay, so HTML is to write the skeleton, CSS is to apply the CSS, and one more file will call a JavaScript to perform a dynamic action. So that is we are not caring about now. So just we are going to write a CSS part. So for that we have a document. Okay. So what is the document? This is the document, and save it. We are going to be write a website. So for this, okay, first I will run this one. Right click, open with the live server. It will open the blank page with the title a document. Where it is running, the server is running with the 55004 port. File name is index.html. Okay, see here, this is showing a document. So I want to design a simple website. So for that, what and all we are going to be writing. Okay. So first, what we will do, I will go here. I will just change the title. My website. Okay. So this is called a my website. Save it, and we are going to be control S. If you see means it is going to be change the title. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to write a like a header part. So home about the contact us. So I don't want to. Okay. So I have a website and having a header home about website. Okay. So first what I will do, I will write a one header tag. See, some we are not discussed all the tags, okay? So it is difficult to discuss all the tag. So if you just go through the practice and you will get to what are all the different types of what you can say tags are there, okay? It is difficult to cover whole things in a one session or one course because if you go for official website, you have a number of tags. Okay, so this is the header tag. Inside a header, what I will do, I will take a h1 tag, enter, then welcome to my, sorry, each here, control X, control V, welcome, sorry, why it is showing like this, just I will remove. I don't know what is happens to my system. Automatically, it is lagging some. Okay, so well, I have a simple header. The simple header is a welcome to. Just a minute. I will remove everything. Okay, so this is the header it is showing. So I will just change the header. I will remove everything. I will take a one more time document. Control S. Then we'll take the header start and end tag. So then we have a h1 tag. The h1 tag contains a welcome to what is this, my website. Okay, so this is a simple header. So just I will do control S. If you see the website here, this is the our header. So then we have a one more thing called a nav bar. What is the nav bar in the sense? So if you see here, if you minimize to the mobile size, this is a left navigation, top navigation. It is there. So just we will go through now and we will explain. The first we created a header, then we are going to be create a navigation bar. Okay, so navigation bar it is going to be create. So then we have a like what we can say we have a headers. So home, about us, contacts. So three fields I want to create it. So for that the UL is unordered list. Then we are going to be create a LI. LI is a list item. Then A is an anchor tag. Okay. So we know about a list item and this is the anchor tag. I will show why anchor tag. So just I will add a home. Okay. So this is called a home. So like that, just a, See, this is the home, and I will add a one more tab. Li for the list item, A for the anchor tag. Why I added an anchor tag means when I click on home, it has to be redirected to the another page. So for that purpose, what we have used. So home, the next tab is about us, and Li anchor tag. Next is contact us. Okay, so this is how it will work. Okay, so header start and header end. The next is a okay, so this is all about the header thing. If you just go to the browser, so this is how it looks. Okay, so because we have not written any CSS, so first it is going to be see like this. The next what we are going to do, so this is a one header section. Then I will use a one more section called a this is called a main. Okay, so these are all the tags. Okay, as like h1 tag, this is the header tag. It will specify the header, and this is the main means which is also one type of a tag here. Okay, so then I will add some text. We will see that is a later thing. So then after header, this is the body section. I will keep inside a main. Then I will take as a footer. Okay. So this is called a header. This is called a footer. See here, this is a footer. No problem. This is all live save and line number 25. This is called a footer, and this is called a body. That is, I am going to be keeping the main. This is called a header. See, it's like a file edit section is there, no? Like that. Home, about us, contact is there. Save it. So just what I will do. Okay. So I will add a one thing called main. So here I will, okay, first we'll add a footer. What is a footer it will contains? So I will take a paragraph, start and end tag. So then we are going to be add a 2000, okay, so 2024 copyright. You might see this type of text below the website, copyright, bitstream IO. Okay, so then, okay, so then all rights reserved. Okay, sorry. Okay, so all rights reserved. Okay, so here what happens, list home about us contacts. So there are the three is there, that is we are kept inside a header, and this is a footer. So if you see here, so this is called a footer, but footer should come here. Why it is coming like this? So we will do that, no worries. So this is part is the header, and this part is this footer. So now then what we are going to do, we are going to be add a one form inside a where in the main section, that is called a body section. So for that I will take a h2 some form, the contact form. Okay, so you have to contact means you need to fill the form. Okay, so for that I will take a form, then a label. Okay, for is there. Okay, this is a one syntax is there. Okay, so why we need a label in the sense, so you will get to know. So that is a name. Okay, so then what we have a tag called a input. The input type equals to text. If it is not coming, so what you have to do, so input type equals to text, So you will get all the tabs here. See, if you want a button, checkbox, color, everything you will get. You no need to remember exact thing. So type equals to text. Okay. So that is we have created type equal to text. The next is ID equals to name. So why we need ID in the sense? So if you want to find the uniqueness. Okay, so ID name is unique, so you are not going to be repeat once more with the ID name. Okay, so that is we'll discuss it. Then, so if you want a ID name is there, the next is what we need to add anything called. So okay, let it be the next name and email. I want to take a one more thing called a name and that is called the email. So this is for is a name and label is a for the email. Okay, so here I will take a email colon and bracket input type equals to text. Okay, type equals to text. So next ID equals to what? Now the unique is a email. Okay, one mistake I have done. Instead of a type text, so there is a email is there. If you just type a e, automatically it will come email. So then ID also email. Then third one will take as a one more thing called a text area. Label label for a text area. Text area. Then input type equals to text. Huh. Here I will change the what we can say that is a text area. Instead of that one input, you can mention input also, or else you can use a text area. So you will get be amazed of what is the text area. So you no need to worry. So name equals to what? So that is a so uh, message ID also message label also message. Okay. Columns means number of columns is 30, number of rows is 10. So we will go through it. Control S will go here. If it is reload means, see this is how it looks. So this is called a header, sorry, and this is called a footer, and this contact form, and this one is called a body section or a main section. Okay. So next, what we are going to do? Okay, so this is all about a minimal, a simple website. So this is called a simple website. It is running with the index.html. Okay, so this is the input name. So what name we are going to be add? Without. Okay, and the email should be something abc@gmail.com. Text area. So something you need to inquire. Contact form is there. I need to contact means I need to join a cricket tournament, something like that. But we don't have a button, so that button we are going to be add here. So where we are going to be add? So in the below, inside the form only, you are going to be add a uh, that is called the input. So type equals to button, okay, and value equals to what? Submit. Save it. We'll go to the browser. See here. So I want to make a little bit easier name. What is the name? It's the first name or last name or something like that. So I will add some meaningful text here. See, this is the label means what? It is coming here. This is the label and here it is a text. This is the label and here it is a text. This is the label. This is the text. Okay, so I want this. I don't want this much big box means. So just you go here. Number of rows equals to 5. Control S. We'll go to here, see how it minimizes. So you can add a number of a text. So when they are using a text area, whenever you want to write a what we can say address or something like that, they are using a text area. Okay. So now this is the button is there. So now what I want to do, so okay, this is a button and everything is there. This is for the to display the thing, and this is the input type text area. So I want to add some meaningful text inside by default. So how to add? For the input type equal to text, name equals to this one, required. Okay, so before that I will what it is a required, control S. Okay, so just I will change little bit. Required equals to true. Save it. We will go here. Okay, so let it be because some of the browser issue also is there, but we are writing the other CSS as well. So the placeholder, enter a name. Okay, control S. If you just go here, see here, the by default text is there. So spelling mistake is there. Enter, control S will go here. The enterer name is there. If I add means it will go, but it is some text is showing a enterer name. Then here we are going with the email. So here what is this one, placeholder enterer email. Okay, or enter email, control S will go here. See, enter email is there. If I add means it will go, but it is something it will giving us some information. Then text area. So I will use a placeholder, enter a text to purpose. Enter a contact purpose. Okay, so it is now it is becoming a little bit meaningful. Okay, so whatever we have learned with the HTML, so that is what we are going to be writing here. So this is called a simple website. See, Google also website, index .html also website, Facebook also website. Okay, so how it is website? Anything it is running on the browser with .html or anything. So it is like we can call as the HTML. Sorry, the website. Okay, so this is a minimal what we have developed here. So now what we are going to do? So it looks very basic, or we can say something called a odd. Okay, so now I want to write some sort of a CSS for this one. Okay, but we have not learned the CSS, but you don't need to worry, just have a look because uh, we are going to be discuss deeply on CSS section, but only we are what we can say understanding making the website look better. So now it looks very basic. So we are going to be add something. Okay, for the body, I want to apply the font family. The font family is something called the Arial. This one. So control S. So it is going to be changed. See, all the website text is changed now. The next is what? So I will add a margin 0. Sorry, 0. Padding 0. Okay. The next is the background color. So I will add a something light blue. Control S. If I just go here, so it will looks like this. See, if I just remove this, how it looks. Why will it? So you don't need to worry about what is this margin padding. It's just have a look. That's it. Control X. If I just go here, so this is how it looks. Control V. Okay. The next what we are going to do, we are going to be write a what we can say for the header. This part we are going to be write a CSS. So what is the tag for this one? So I will use the header tag. So header, open close brace, and I will add something background color. So these are called what you can say. This is the color codes. Okay, okay. So I will change something called the other color. F0, F0, F0. Okay, Control S will go here. Okay, so this is how it will looks. So then next is what I will up. This is the background color. Inside header, I need to apply a color. Okay, what is the color? Hash FFF means white. So this is the color code and this is the hexadecimal color code. See, there are three ways we can write a color. One is by using a color name, by using a hexadecimal. So that is we are going to be discussing in a CSS. No worry. Color, this is the we have applied. The next is water. So I want to add a padding 20 pixel. Control S will go here. So this is how it looks now. Then next we are going to be the text align center. Save it, Control S will go here. See this text, every text is aligned center. So this for this it is not applied because it is not inside a directly header. Inside a header we have a unordered list item anchor tag. So there we have to apply a color. Okay. So now what I want to do, so I have written for a header. Now I want to write a CSS for this one navigation. Okay. So now navigation, open close brace. Okay. So not only navigation here, inside a navigation we have a UL tag. So for that nav UL, then we are going to be write for this CSS. So list style type. Okay. List style type none. What it will happen, so therefore the list it is showing some dots here, so that is gone. Okay, and padding is 0. So no need to worry about what is the padding margin, everything. You just see the how the output will come. Okay, so this is how it will come. Okay, so now we have written a CSS for the navigation and the UL list. So now we are going to be write the individual item for this one. Okay, what is the individual item? So this is the individual item. Okay, the individual item is what? Navigation, UL, LI, and anchor tag. Open close brace. So I want to write a style for this one. Okay, so for the navigation, you will, okay, first we'll write for the LI. Navigation means what? So this is the navigation. UL means what? This is the UL. LI means what? This is the individual list item. Okay, so then we are going to display inline. What is the inline? The inline means it is taking the only as much space is required and it is not going for the new line. Okay, so if I just see here, sorry, see all three texts are now, it is not taking the new line, it is taking the only one row. Okay, so now you will li display inline. Okay, margin right, margin right. So margin right is a 20 pixel. Control S will go here. So this is a how the space is created. So this is the welcome and this is the home, about us, and everything is there. Okay, so now we have write a CSS for the navigation and UL for the LI. Now I want to write the individual anchor tag. For that individual anchor tag, we are going to be write the CSS. Okay, so that is called a navigation, UL, LI, and a anchor tag. Okay, open close brace. The color is what? Hash FFF, means it is taking a little bit white because we have a background white. See how it looks now. So somewhat little bit good, looks good. So now here the text decoration none. Control S will do here. See, so this is called a what we can say CSS. Okay. So now how it looks now? What you can see. So this is a what you can see. This is the header section is over. So now we are coming for the form. Where is that form? That form is inside a main section, main start and a main end. Okay. So now what happens? Okay, first we are going to be write for CSS for the main. So for that I will go here, MAAM, open close brace, padding 20 pixel. Control S will go here. See, padding means it is taken a subspace. Okay. So then I want to write a CSS for this. So again, I am telling that you no need to worry. You are going to be learn all those things, but just you see the how the HTML website we are going to be transformed into good website. Basic HTML we are going to be transformed into one good looking website. Okay, then now I want to see this is the main is for, then I want to apply a CSS for this form. Okay, that is the form. So how to apply it for the form? So form, open close brace, background color, hash FFF, control S, padding 20 pixel, and we'll add a border radius. What's this one? Let's say 5 pixel. The next is what? So we'll go for the any box adders. Okay, so we'll go for any box adder. So I want this box adder. Okay, I will take which one? I will take this one box adder. I will add a. You no need to worry about what I am writing. So just see the how it is going to be changing. Control S will go here. See how it looks now. It's look little bit what you can see good. Okay, so now I want to write little bit well aligned and everything. So for that I will write. Okay, so here I will go here. The input, okay, square bracket. So what is the input type is a text and a comma, sorry, input. Oh, the next is what? Email And the third one is what? Text area. For all those three things, we are writing the CSS. Okay. The width is a 100% and padding is 10 pixel, margin is a 5 pixel and 0, border 1 pixel, solid, hash. So this is a one color code. Okay. The next is border radius 4 pixel and box sizing border box. Control S. If you go here, see how it looks now. Okay. So now it looks what you can say, a little bit good. So what we have written? So we have written for CSS. See, just I will remove this one. I will Cont okay, I will just do Control X means it will delete, or I will delete it. Control S. If I go here, see how it looks very basic. Control Z, con Control S. If you go here, okay. So this is the name a text area. Okay. So then we are going with the main. Okay. Then we are going to. We have written for all the this label and everything. So this for this we are going to be write a CSS. So for that we are going with the input type equals to what? That is a button. Okay. So for that we are adding the background color hash 4 CA F50. Okay, these are all the some colors. Okay, or else if you just if you don't want to do something called a you can just give a blue also, nothing will happen. So Control S and color equals to what? White and padding equals to 10 pixel, 20 pixel, border none, and border radius 4 pixel, cursor pointer. Control S will go here. See how it looks now. See, cursor pointer means here it is there. If I make is a something, hand symbol will come. Okay, so this is called a, what we can say. Uh, this is the form. So then I want to write a, okay, I want to make a, should this should be aligned center means how to do. So we already know how to do this one. So for that just I will go here, H2 open close brace, and the text align should be center. Control S. If I go here, see this is the contact form, and this is the what we can see. This is the how it looks now. Okay. So now what we are going to do? We are going to do with the right with the footer. Open close brace, border radius sorry, not border radius, uh, border, sorry, background color. So you can set the background color which will show background color. I will use something called a lavender blue, something like that. And color will be hash FFF. And padding will be 10 pixel. Text align center. Okay, so position is a fixed because it has to be aligned properly. Bottom 0, width 100%. So I will use a bottom 0 and width is 100%. Okay, so Control S. So just will go to the browser, see how it looks now website. If you want to use a black color only, so you can use a black color. So here just go here. This is the a black color. Control S will go here. Sorry. See button is happened black color. I don't want to do button black color. Control S. I want to this one to be black color. Header and footer should be black color and text will be Control S will go here. Okay. So Control Shift I. See this is how it looks. This is called a mobile device testing. So see here, we are not written a full CSS. So this is a simple one CSS uh, website. So we have done iPhone XR. So you have so many iPhone SE and something Samsung Galaxy S8. So it will looks like this. Got it? So this is the simple website we have created. Okay. So what we are going to do? So I want if I mouse or means it has to be changed some color means how to do this one. So for that we are going to be add a one more input type is button square bracket. Then we are going to be add a hover. You no need to see you no need to worry about whatever the code. What I'm writing you just ignore this one because you have not done the CSS. Open close brace. So if you add a something background color is a uh, background color is something which color. Control S. I will go here. See here. If I mouse or means, so this is how it will shows. Okay. So this is the simple website we have done. So you got to know why we need a CSS. So, but you don't need to worry about what is the coding, why he is writing and everything. You are going to be learn deeply in the CSS part. No worries. Okay. So just I will. Okay. Just I will show control delete control S. If I just go here, this is how it will looks. So this is the HTML. We are going to be create a skeleton of the application, but the actual CSS, if you write means your website will looks good. So just what I will do, I will do Control Z, Control S. Will go here. Okay, so this is the what we can say. Okay, so this is the how it will works. Control Shift I. Okay, so this is a information you are going to be add. If you submit this, it is going for data. Okay, so we have not done any if backend integration. So this is a just simple what I can say writing a CSS thing. Got it? So Why we have took any session other than HTML means, so you will get to know what is we can do with the HTML. So we can do with the HTML control S this much. After that, if you want to see, if you want to make looks good website, so you need to write a, that is called a CSS, control S. Here it is there. Okay, so this is called a your one website. Okay, so you just do practice it, and CSS part. So just take a 10 minutes, 20 minutes sometime. It is easy. Whatever I'm writing, you just write it. You no need to worry about this section. Okay, forget about. Forget in the sense, just type whatever in the screen. So you just type it. So you should know this is the header is a one tag. So H1 is a one tag, and the navigation is one tag, and UL is a one tag. Okay, so if I use a, so we can create a something like this. So I will create a two more file. Copy. What I will do. So here, uh, about us dot HTML. Control V. So I will use a about us page. Okay. So for the background, I will use a, for about us. I will use a this color. Okay. So then next is the contact us is there. For this contact us dot html. So I will use a control V. So then, so contact us page. Okay, delete it. Okay, so this is how we are going to be creating. Control S. Okay, so this is how it is going to be. So this is the index.html. So what I will do, I will just show the magic here. Okay, so go to the index.html. So we will go here, index.html, and about us.html, and contact.html. Save it, right click, open with the live server. So I will just click about.html, contact.html. Okay, so just I will change all the three files. Copy, Control V, and Control S. See here, home is there. This is the home contact form. I will just change here to welcome to home page. Control S. See, this is the welcome to home page. If I click here, about us page, if I click here, the contact us. So contact us spelling mistake. Contact us home, about us, contact us. Home, about us, contact us. Home, about us, contact us. Okay, so this is called a one simple website. So I hope you are going to be try and do this one. So I am expecting you guys to submit within a 2 days. Okay.